Hey everyone, how's it going? The Watch GT5 Pro, you guessed it, is the advanced or Pro version of the Huawei Watch GT5, a more expensive watch aimed at serious fitness enthusiasts, from dedicated golf and diving modes to advanced health. Insights like ECG monitoring and arterial stiffness measurement, this watch is engineered for precision and performance. Whether you're pushing limits on the course, underwater, or in everyday life, the GT5 Pro keeps up and looks exceptional. Doing it. Design and build quality. The watch is similarly sized to the GT5, with 42mm and 46mm options available. Finishes are more limited though, with black and grey titanium options for the 46mm size, and white or ceramic white for the 46mm size. Having worn the GT5 Pro watches for over a month each, I can tell you that the GT5 Pro is technically better than its more affordable alternative. The GT5 Pro has a crown button on the top and a metal button below it, both on the right side. Pressing the crown opens or closes the app menu, while double press allows you to switch between active apps. The lower button is customizable, though it's inactive while an app is open. 1.43-inch AMOLED display. The Huawei Watch GT5 Pro dazzles with a 1.43-inch AMOLED color display, delivering vibrant clarity with its 466 by 466 resolution and 326 ppi. Every glance reveals a world of stunning detail. It fits a wide range of wrist sizes, from 140 to 210mm. The sapphire glass screen enhances the luxury of the platinum design, producing a glimmering grandeur. The bezel and crown are polished to perfection with golden leaf facets, displaying elegance in full bloom. The nano-crystal ceramic case and textured snow-white floor elastomer strap are where passion meets fashion. Supports NFC sports. With the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, your wrist becomes your wallet. After linking a bank card through the Huawei Health app, you can enjoy the convenience of offline payments. No phone, no network required. Whether you're grabbing a coffee, shopping on the go, or commuting, NFC payment support makes every transaction smooth and secure. The watch even supports transportation cards, so you can tap and travel effortlessly. It's a smarter, faster way to pay. Right from your wrist. Heart health monitoring. Huawei Watch GT5 Pro is equipped with advanced health and fitness tracking features, including an optical heart rate sensor, ECG sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and more, enabling you to monitor their heart rate, track activities, and analyze health metrics. Whether you're tracking workouts, monitoring heart rate, or analyzing detailed health metrics, the GT5 Pro turns every moment into a meaningful step toward better wellness. It's precision technology, wrapped in elegance. ECG health certifications. The Huawei Watch GT5 Pro ECG signal collection is more accurate and responsive, thanks to new and improved electrode technology. Simply hold your finger on the side electrode for 30 seconds, and the watch delivers accurate, real-time ECG data, giving you an instant window into your heart's rhythm. This seamless, on-the-go screening tool helps detect common heart conditions early, empowering you to take control of your health with confidence and clarity. It's peace of mind, right on your wrist. Attentive to women's health. The Huawei GT5 Pro series of smartwatches offers several features related to women's health, primarily focusing on menstrual cycle tracking. The watch allows you to record the start and end dates of your menstrual periods. Based on the data you input and physiological data like body temperature, heart rate, and respiratory rate tracked by the watch, it can predict future periods, ovulation, and fertile windows. You can view your cycle calendar in a monthly view on the watch and in the Huawei Health app. The watch provides notifications for the predicted start and end of your period and fertile window. You can also record physical symptoms related to your cycle within the app. Sleep monitoring. Drift off with confidence, knowing the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro is watching over your rest. Its pro-level sleep monitoring doesn't just track your sleep stages, it also keeps an eye on key health indicators and can detect abnormal breathing patterns throughout the night. Whether you're chasing better sleep or safeguarding your wellness, this intelligent sleep companion ensures you wake up informed, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. GPS tracks onto offline maps. This cutting-edge in-house algorithm locks onto satellite signals with precision, giving you pinpoint GPS accuracy every step of the way. Bored of the same running routes? Explore new terrain with Route Draw, where you can create uniquely shaped courses and rediscover the joy of movement. Relive every run, ride, and hike with vivid route playback, while real-time map navigation on your wrist keeps you confidently on track. Advanced fitness tracking. Dive into your passions with the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro, whether it's swimming, basketball, paddle, or any of your favorite sports. With 100+ workout modes, this watch transforms every session into a smart, data-driven experience, offering detailed evaluations and personalized suggestions to help you improve and stay motivated. Performance and battery life. The Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro delivers outstanding battery performance tailored to your lifestyle. Whether you choose the bold 46mm or the elegant 42mm model. Once charged, it can last up to 14 days, 9 days of typical use, and 5 days with always on, which is truly remarkable autonomy compared to other smartwatches on the market. Both models recharge fully in just 60 minutes, keeping you moving without the wait. This makes it perfect for those who need a device that doesn't need frequent charging, even with intensive use. 5 ATM-rated water resistance. Built to withstand the elements, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro is engineered for rugged adventures and aquatic confidence. With 5 ATM water resistance under ISO standards, it can endure up to 50 meters of static water. Pressure for 10 minutes, making it ideal for swimming, coastal activities, and more. It also boasts IP69K certification, enduring high-pressure, high-temperature water jets from multiple angles, and complies with the EN 13319 diving standard, supporting free diving up to 40 meters. Whether you're diving, swimming, or simply caught in the rain, this watch is ready. Just remember to rinse and dry it after water use and activate the drainage feature to maintain optimal performance. It's resilience and reliability wrapped in sleek design. That's all for now. See you in the next one!